Hello, making a video just regarding adding the factory turn signal switch to your Jeep for factory fog lights. As you can see, mine didn't come from the factory with fog lights, but it was pre-wired from the factory. So if you look right up here, right there, is the plug for fog lights. And just ran them up to these new Quadratechs I got. And as you can see, I ended up just ordering an OEM turn signal stock for a TJ with the factory fog lights. So should be able to plug it right in and I'll have fog lights. There's going to be a plug right here and a plug right here for your wipers. Make sure that you be very careful and just pop these out with like a little flathead. And you might have to manhandle the plugs a little bit. Just be careful. And if you're like me, you can get them out. On to the next step. So all you have to do now is just take the wiper assembly. This is my old one. I already did this. But you just take these two bolts right here out, these two little nuts, and this baby slides right out. And everything's right here. You just pop this relay off. And you'll see on the back of my old one, you can see there's already little slots right there for the plugs. And just install the relay under the hood, and you'll be good to go.